आकाशबाट 3-4 दिनसम्म लगातार पानी परेको गरेर यो ठुलो पहिरो गयो मान्छेको घर भित्र जम्मै पानी पसेर यो खराब भयो घर खराब भयो
In Nepal, farming families live at the mercy of an unpredictable sky. 80% of the population lives in hazard-prone areas, facing floods, landslides, droughts and storms.
Automatic बाढी आयो हाम्रो खेतबारीमा यस्तै धानमा बाढी पस्यो सबै पुर्यो घर भित्र हिलो पस्यो.
There are lots of bad effects of climate change. There are many landslides.
Nepal has some of the world's most extreme landscapes. From subtropical plains to icy peaks, the weather shifts as fast as the land changes. Over 80% of disasters here are driven by extreme rainfall and temperature swings, and climate-driven flood risk is set to nearly double by 2030.
अब भर्खर आज रोपेर आयो आजै बाढीले बगाएछ खेत बगाएपछि त अब बालीको त कुरै छोडम खेतै बगायो.
As the Himalayas warm almost twice as fast as the global average, the erratic weather is outpacing farmers' ability to adapt. In response, a new AI-powered technology providing weather alerts is bringing insight across rural communities to give farmers time to prepare.
Nepal is full of microclimatic regions. You cannot send a single advisory from there and there na. So that's why the motivation is that why don't we create a platform for the farmers where they get the advisory at a village level. They can customize the advisory according to them.
These 3-day forecasts are tailored to each farmer's field location and delivered straight to their phones, unprecedented in reliability and accuracy.
This application is using the machine learning and artificial intelligence. We predict the weather using the last 30 years Nepal weather data for that particular date.
Knowledge reaches the most remote fields, empowering smallholders to not just react but to plan.
त्यो 3 दिन अगाडि नै मौसम थाहा भएपछि हामीले कहिले धान काट्ने, कहिले चाहिँ रोप्ने, कहिले क्यार्ने, कहिले बिउ राख्ने सबै कुरो हामीलाई सजिलो भएछ. मोबाइलमा एप आएपछि हामीलाई चाहिँ धेरै सजिलो भएको छ.
सबैलाई सन्देश अब जम्मै कसैको पनि खेतीबाली खराब हुन पाएन बाढीले बिगार्न पाउँदैन डुबाउन पाउँदैन धेरै फाइदा हुन्छ फाइदाजनक हुन्छ.
Nepalese farmer can improve their productivity, conserve their natural resources and have a good food and nutrition security to the coming generation.
हामीलाई यो परिवारहरुले याप हेर्नुभयो अनि त्यही अनुसार हामीले खेती गरेर अहिले राम्रो भएको छ.
Adding a phone number to the digital platform is all it takes to receive vital information. Knowledge then travels effortlessly and is shared within communities.
हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रै मात्रै नभएर अरूलाई छिमेकीहरुलाई पनि हामीले चाहिँ यो सिकाउन सक्छौं.
It will be sustainable to the rural communities where agriculture is the backbone of the economy. It's making them more resilient to the climate change.
Every fraction of a degree matters.